We joined the Duets program in September 2019 and we currently run the street dance at Moorland Primary School. Our approach to teaching street dance is definitely a fun way. We always include the on-trend moves, which we call social dances, but as well we try and go in depth and give them some key information, so teaching them the history, teaching them vocabulary so they have names and references, and I think that's been a really integral part to the partnership, and I think that's something that both the students have really enjoyed. One highlight for us was to be able to introduce our mentorship program, where we had the opportunity to pair up our new gen dance leaders to teach and learn from 2 other dance professionals, and that's been a real success for us to just see the confidence, the growth, and our young people taking extra responsibility to be able to deliver in collaboration with another dance company. Having 2 male tutors on the Duets program has really worked to our advantage in being able to retain the male students and just keeping them engaged. And I think it's just been really good for them to have, you know, 2 guys, 2 alpha males that bounce off each other. They have a lot of chemistry, so I think that's been quite inspirational for them to see.